Advanced Clinicals, Collagen Plus Rosewater, Pump Plus Glow Facial Mist, 8 fluid ounces, 237 milliliters. Product Overview Description. Instantly revive dry, lackluster skin enriched with watermelon and peptide complex. AquaSpheres increases hydration instantly up to 88% for a smooth look. 0% parabens, 0% alcohol, 0% SLS, 0% propylene glycol, 0% mineral oil, 0% tea, 0% formaldehyde, 0% sulfates, 0% MIT, 0% triclosan, 0% coal tar, 100% clean, 100% clean beauty. Suggested use. Mist onto face and neck with closed eyes as needed throughout the day for a moisturizing boost. Other ingredients: water, glycerin, pyrus, malus, apple, fruit extract, PEG 12 dimethicone, soluble collagen, rosa, damascena flower water, aloe, barbadensis leaf juice, acetyl hexapeptide, butylene glycol, citrullus, lanatus, watermelon, fruit extract, lens, esculenta, lentil, fruit extract, sodium lactate, sodium PCA, oryza, sativa, rice extract, glycine max, soybean, seed extract, daucus carota, sativa, carrot, root extract, chinapodium quinoa seed extract, panax ginseng root extract, tocopherol acetate, vaccinium angustifolium, blueberry, fruit extract, isopentyl, pentylene glycol, phenoxyethanol, maltodextrin, tetrasodium glutamate diacetate, fragrance, caprolol glycol, ethylxyl glycerin, hexylene glycol, citric acid, red 33. Warnings. Caution, for external use only. Keep out of reach of children. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.